Good morning, dear students. I am giving exercises from chapter 11, transportation in plants and animals, and till 10th one, name the organ from which oxygenated blood goes into the heart. I have completed, and today I will start from the question number 11. Answer 11. Answer 11. Question 11 is the define excretion and why is the process of excretion important for living being? Why is the process of excretion important for living being? Excretion you have to write from keywords. Excretion, write from keywords. Excretion, write from keywords. Excretion, write from keywords. And why is the process of excretion important for living being? I will write some of the waste products. Some of the waste products like urea are very harmful. And toxic. Harmful and toxic. These must not be accumulated. Not be accumulated within the body. Otherwise accumulation of waste products produces health problem. Fortunately, each organism has a mechanism of its own to remove the waste products. Question is, define excretion and why is the process of excretion important for living being? So excretion, what is the definition of excretion? Removal of waste material from the body is called the excretion. You have to write from the keywords, and in this some of the waste products like urea are very harmful and toxic. These must not be accumulated within the body, otherwise accumulation of waste products produces health problem. Fortunately, Each organism has a mechanism of its own to remove the waste products. This is all about question number 11. Now come to the question number 12. Question number 12. Question number 12. Name the various organs of excretion in humans. Name the various organs for excretion in humans. Excretion in humans. Given on in old book, it is given on page number 121. Excretion in humans. Excretion in humans. Page number 121. Excretion in humans. It is given excretory substances in humans are urea, sweat and undigested food. Human body has various organs to get rid of wastage. Lungs for excretion of carbon dioxide and water vapor produces during respiration, and skin for excretion of urea, salt and excess water by means of sweat glands present in the skin, and large intestine for excretion of some wastage along with feces through anus, kidneys for excretion of products like urea and nitrogen in urine, and liver for removal of excess sugar by converting it into glucose for future use. This is all about the answer 12. Now come to the 13. Answer 13. What waste products are removed by the following parts? Skin. What waste products released from the skin? That is the urea, salt and excess water. Urea, salt and excess water. Urea, salt and excess water. Skin, kidney, urea and nitrogen. Urea and nitrogen. Urea and nitrogen. Lungs, carbon dioxide and water vapor. Large intestine. Some waste along with feces. Some waste along with feces. So what waste products are removed by the following parts? Skin, urea, salt and excess water. Kidney, urea and nitrogen. Lungs, carbon dioxide, water vapor. Large intestine, some waste along with feces. Now come to the answer number 14. Answer 14. Name the organs of excretion in humans. Name the organs of excretion in earthworm, insects and vertebrates. Earthworm, insects, vertebrates. Nephridia, Malpighian tubules in insects, Malpighian tubules in insects, and kidneys in vertebrates. Earthworm, Nephridia, insects, Malpighian tubules, vertebrates, kidney. Now come to the answer 15. Answer 15. Answer 15. Define sweating. What is the importance of sweating? Sweating is the production of watery fluid from sweat glands in the skin. Sweat glands in the skin. The watery fluid contains dissolved salts. Dissolved salts. Sweating produces a cooling effect. 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 Answer 15. Sweating is the production of a watery fluid from sweat glands in the skin, and the watery fluid contains dissolved salt. Sweating produces a cooling effect. And in this you have to take revision of dry bell level diagram of heart. Heart diagram you will take revision. Heart diagram given in this chapter, and you will take revision of this heart diagram. So this chapter 11 transportation in plants and animals completed, and tomorrow I will start chapter 12 reproduction in animals. You have to question answer you have to write in your GST copy.